Today we are going to continue same exercise 3.3. In question number 2, you are asked to find out value for m. So this is very simple. You have to simply solve the equations by using substitution method and then find the value for m by substituting x and y in the given equation. Now I am going to take question number 3, second part. Here the question is given, the larger of two supplementary angles exceeds the smaller by 18 degrees. Find them. So we have to take help of two variables. So let the smaller angle be x and larger angle be y, because we have to find out both the angles. So we have assumed both the angles by x and y. According to question, it is given that larger angle exceeds the smaller angle by 18. It means larger angle is 18 more than the smaller angle. So larger angle is assumed y, which is equals to x plus 18. This is our first equation. And we know that supplementary angles always sum up to 180 degree. So two angles x and y if are added will be equals to 180 degree. So this is the second equation, x plus y is equals to 180 degree. Now substitute y. Here in equation 1 we are getting value for y as x plus 18. So we can substitute this value directly in equation number 2. So x plus y. Y can be written as x plus 18, which is equals to 180 degree. Now x plus x is 2x plus 18 is equals to 180 degree. So we have to solve this for x. So 2x is equals to 180 minus 18. X is equals to 180 minus 18 is 162, and this 2 is transferred to other side in denominator. So 162 upon 2 gives you 18 on cancelling. Now this value of x can be substituted in equation number 2 to find out y. So here y is equals to x plus 18. Sorry, in equation 1 we have to substitute here. So y is equals to x plus 18 is the first equation. So y is equals to x, we have got 81. 81 plus 18 is equals to 99. So we have got y as 99. So smaller angle is 81 and larger angle is 18 greater than 18 plus 81, which will be 99. So in this way we can check this, and here the sum of x and y is coming 180, so it is verified. So this is the second part. Now I am going to read fourth part of question number 3. It is given that the taxi charges in a city consist of a fixed charge together with the charges for the distance covered. For a distance of 10 km, the charge paid is rupees 105, and for the journey of 15 km, the charge paid is rupees 155. So the question asks you what are the fixed charges and the charges per kilometer. So here let the fixed charge be x, because we have to find out fixed charge as well as charge for the distance traveled. So we have assumed fixed charge be x rupees. Unit is also to be mentioned, and charges for per kilometer, the distance traveled, is assumed as y rupees. According to question, we have to find out total fare. So we can say total fare as per the distance covered can be written equals to fixed charge, which we have to pay compulsorily, plus charges for the distance travel. Whatever distance we will travel, we have to pay the charge according to per kilometer. So on adding both of these, we will get the total fare. So in first part of the question, it is given for the distance of 10 km, the fare is paid rupees 105. So we can create the equation that x as fixed charge plus charges for the 10 km will be 10 into y, because y rupees per kilometer is the charge we have assumed. So the first equation is x plus 10y is equal to 105. Likewise, in the second hint we are given that fare for 15 km is rupees 155. So again fixed charge will always be added. So x plus 15y. This 15y is the fare for 15 kilometer, which is assumed as y rupees per kilometer. So x plus 15y is equals to 155. So these are the two equations. Now again we will apply here substitution method. Using equation 1 for x, we can write x is equal to 105 minus 10y. So here this value of x is substituted in equation number 2 here. So this is the substitution, 105 minus 10y plus 15y is equals to 155. Here we have substituted x in second equation. So on opening the bracket, 105 plus 5y, because minus 10y plus 15y will become 5y. 105 plus 5y is equals to 155. So 5y is equals to 155 minus this 105 is transposed in other side, becomes minus 105. So y is equals to 50 upon 5. So on cancelling this, we get y is equals to 10. So here this 10 is actually the fare for the distance travelled per kilometer, and substitute this value of y in second equation. Therefore x is equal to 105 minus 10y. Y is 10 here, so 105 minus 100 will be x as rupees 5. So x is the fixed charges, which is 5 rupees, and y is the charges per distance kilometer, which is 10 rupees. Now fare for 25 kilometer, it is asked to find out. So for 25 kilometer, a person will pay x plus 25y. X is 5 and y is 10. So 25 into 10 is 250. 250 plus 5 is 255 will be the fare paid by a person if he travels 25 kilometers. So this much is enough for today. I hope you all have understood. So you complete remaining parts of this question in homework. That's all. Thank you very much.